Nairobi. Welcome to the broadcast. My name is Fatia Mohammed Noor and our sign language interpreter is Damian Evans. Now, first we'll take you to Jaramogi Oginga's, that is, of course, his commemoration to the lakeside city of Kisumu, where the 30th anniversary of the second Vice President of Kenya, Jaramogi Oginga Odinga. The memorial service was held at ACK Cathedral in Milimani, and later on the main function held at Ofafa Memorial Hall, where opposition leaders applauded the role played by the doyen of opposition politics for his immense contribution in shaping the country's democracy. Our reporter Bramwell Bure will be bringing us that story a bit later. Moving on now, Health Cabinet Secretary Susan Nakhumicha is elated over Friday's court ruling lifting the ban on 3 universal health coverage laws. Now, according to the CS, the move now paves way for the implementation of the new laws that will assure Kenyans of universal health coverage. Clement Masombo reports.
Health Cabinet Secretary Susan Nakhumicha has lauded the decision by the Court of Appeal to lift the orders made earlier by the High Court, suspending the implementation of the Social Health Insurance Fund (SHIF). In a statement issued to the media on Saturday, Nakhumicha said the verdict paves the way for a robust healthcare system in the country, highlighting the crucial role of the Social Health Insurance Fund in achieving the universal health coverage, one of the flagship projects of the Kenya Kwanza administration. The court, in its ruling on Friday, noted that the suspension of the implementation had a ripple effect on millions of Kenyans who rely on the fund for access to health services. The CS said the decision now opens the doors for a resilient healthcare system that perfectly aligns with the laid out strategies for the enrollment of universal health coverage. Under the program, the lowest contribution amount will be 300 shillings, down from 500 shillings, as the government promises to pay for the most vulnerable Kenyans in the society. Already, the government through the ministry has employed over 100,000 community health promoters to assist in the implementation of the program. All eyes now shift to see how the ministry will implement the Social Health Insurance Fund, which has replaced the National Health Insurance Fund, NHI.